Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to share something very useful today. Cognizant GenC interview experience for 2025. If you are someone who is preparing for Cognizant or any IT service company role, especially GenC, then this video is for you. I will walk you through how the interview process went for me, from how I got the mail, how it got rescheduled, the interview questions I was asked, and how I answered them. I will also share some bonus tips towards the end of the video. So, initially, I was informed that my interview was scheduled for April 1st for the Bangalore location and it was supposed to be offline, but soon after, it got rescheduled. I didn't receive any update for a few days and I kept checking my inbox regularly. Then finally, on April 22nd, I got a confirmation mail that my interview would now be held virtually and the new slot was scheduled for the April 23rd between 12 pm and 4 pm. The actual interview started around 1 pm when the interviewer joined. The first thing the interviewer did was ask me to show my ID proof. After that, he gave me a quick intro about himself and asked me to introduce myself. I kept myself introduction crisp and structured. Started with my name, education background, technical skills, project experience, and strengths like adaptability and quick learning. Then he jumped straight into technical questions and he asked me to tell about my project. I explained my academic project titled Image Enhancement with the application of local and global enhancement methods for dark images. I talked about how we used CNN for image processing and the libraries we used were OpenCV and NumPy. When he asked if I used any other libraries, I mentioned pandas as well. I explained my role in the team. I handled the algorithm development and integration. I also discussed the challenges we faced, like handling image noise and contrast enhancement. Then next question was, do you know Python, SQL, Java, JavaScript, HTML? I said, yes, I do. I have worked on several mini projects and academic work using Python and SQL. I have used HTML and JavaScript to build front-end components and explored Java during my coursework. And the next question was, what are the features of Python? Python is a high-level interpreted and dynamically typed language. It has a simple structure, supports both object-oriented and functional programming, and comes with a massive set of libraries. And next question he asked was difference between Python and Java. I explained Python is interpreted and dynamically typed, whereas Java is compiled and statically typed. Python is more concise, but Java performs better at runtime and is used more in enterprise level apps. And the next question was data types in Python. I explained basic types including int, float, string, boolean. Two collections include list, tuple, dictionary, and set. And the next question was difference between string and array. String is used to handle textual data and it is immutable, whereas an array is used for numerical data and it is mutable. In Python, we use list as a dynamic array. And then I was asked to write code for two small coding programs. First one is like take one array and write a code to return the sum of elements in that particular array, and I written the code and executed in the same superset platform. And later on, next question is given two strings, I want to return a merged string. I did it with concatenation operation. Same thing, I executed this code also in superset platform. After that, he asked me that can we add or merge two tables in database using Python. I said yes, using pandas or SQLite we can merge data sets using functions like merge or SQL joins via queries. And the next question he was asked how to fetch data from Oracle database using Python. We can use some libraries to connect to Oracle database and run queries. I replied like this. And the next question was, can we perform SQL operations in Python? I said absolutely yes, with SQLite 3 library and some pandas dot read SQL functions, we can queries inside Python. Then next question was, which language is used for mobile app development, Python or Java? I said like mostly Java, but yes, we can develop mobile apps with Python also. Next question was, can we modify database tables and display them using Python? I said yes, using frameworks like Flask or Django, we can connect to database, modify data and display it on web UIs. And the next question was, difference between delete and truncate. I said like delete removes records conditionally and can be rolled back, while truncate is faster but irreversible and removes all rows. And next question was, what is left join? I said like returns all the rows from the left table and the matching rows from the right table. If there is no match, nulls are returned from the right. Then he asked some HR questions like, are you willing to relocate to Chennai or Coimbatore for training? I said yes, I am comfortable for relocating. And the next question is, if training starts in the first week of May, are you okay with it? I said yes, I am ready to join. And the next question was, are you okay with the working and shifts? Yes, I completely fine with rotational shifts. Like this, I explained. After my interview ended, within a short time, I got a confirmation mail that the interview was completed successfully. The mail had the Cognizant logo and confirmed that my interview status was updated. Yeah, this was my complete 25-minute Cognizant GenC virtual interview experience. My suggestion for all of you is, prepare your project explanation very well, revise Python basics, SQL concepts and Java versus Python, and be prepared for simple but tricky coding questions. Practice integrating Python with databases, and most importantly, stay calm, confident and genuine. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, share and let me know in the comments if you want me to cover more mock interviews, resume tips or other IT company experiences. All the best for your interview journey.